Hi everyone. My name is Lydia Gitaro Nauli. Now I'll be presenting my paper on optimizing forklift productivity using random forest algorithm. This study focused on enhancing safety and efficiency in industrial forklift operation through intelligent data analysis. Forklifts are indispensable in modern logistics and warehouse management due to their flexibility and efficiency. However, they also pose challenges such as operational safety risks, reduced productivity, and high maintenance costs. Addressing this issue requires intelligent systems capable of real-time monitoring and classification of forklift operating conditions. This is where the random forest algorithms comes in and offering efficient classification for this application. Okay, the objective of this research are threefold. First, to enhance safety by detecting critical operating states. And second, to implement a real-time monitoring system that support predictive maintenance strategies. And the last, to improve overall productivity in industrial environment. Now let me explain the methodology used in this paper. Data was collected using triaxial accelerometer on that attached to forklift forks. The raw data was pre-processed using median filtering to remove noise and outliers. After preprocessing, relevant features were extracted and the data was used to train a random forest model. We can see here in this flow chart, the process is start with define problem and objective, and then we can get data recording. Data was recorded by Raspberry Pi that connect to forklift forks, and then data will save the raw data sets, and there is process for labeling the label states, and then we got the pre-processing, features extraction, and then a process for training model and save models, and the live detection, real-time data processing. And then after the process actually loops, let's get the continuous data stream. And after real-time, we got the real-time data. It will process the predict forklift operating states, and that's the end of the process data. So we can see here's an overview of the system design. The architecture involves three main components: data collection from sensor, from we have device in forklift forks, and then we get the data collection from sensor, and then the second, the model training using the collect data, and the third one, detection of forklift operating states in real time. These designs ensure minimal computational overhead, making it suitable for industrial application. The system provides immediate feedback to operator, enhancing safety and productivity. Okay. We can see here's the data sets. There are 7 operating states of forklift. Yeah, the collision of the forks on the ground, striking the forks on the ground, lifting the forks carriage, lowering the forks carriage, collision, then collision of the fork carriage at the lowest end, driving and standing. This is different condition. We labeling with this name, and we got various number of pattern. Here we can say that this is imbalance data. So discuss about the process data. The first thing that we have to do is the raw acceleration data was cleaned and filtered during preprocess. That's why this imbalanced data have to be cleaned, and we filter it to be 50 number of pattern of each operating states. Okay, next, features such as pattern of movement were extracted for classification. We can see here this classification, 7 crucial condition in forklift. You can see in this figure, actually there are 7. Yeah, we can ignore this, the last one. The first collision of the forks on the ground, and then dragging on the forks on the ground. We can see this is different between one with others. It's different. Lifting the force carriage, lowering of the force carriage, collision of the force carriage at the lowest end, driving or standing. You can see here that this is the figure of the visualization of 7 operating states in the forklift. And also we got the validation after the random forest algorithm was used to train the model. Once trained, the model was deployed for a real-time detection and then allowing us to live monitoring of forklift states. We can also see this one, the validation states, and we got around 93%. Yeah, 93%. Yeah, further results and the results of the study are very promising. Using the random forest algorithm can achieve an accuracy of 92.89% in classifying the forklift's operating states. And validation tests confirm most states were accurately identified. This system has the potential to improve forklift safety by providing real-time alerts to operator and make it system more efficient and make it more efficient. Okay, yeah, here's in this research demonstrate that real-time detection of forklift operating states is feasible even with limited computational resource. Like I said before, we just use 50 number of pattern of each operating states because we want get the balanced data. So that's why we aim to expand the data set to get more data set, so we can more operate. We can refine the model to improve its accuracy and efficiency. Maybe because of because of a small data set, we just get 93%, but actually this is we achieve high accuracy using the random forest algorithm that makes the system reliable. And also for the device, there are many options for the future work. We can use web API, or same with the previous research, we can use Raspi. And here the data that we get, XYZ, the 3 axial accelerometer, the pattern, and also the states. And for the serial communication is the best way to get the data more efficient. Okay, so here is our research. We got research from the robustness, the vehicle rollover, and also we got from the Kaggle for the dataset. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. I hope this paper can be inspired for others to improve our industrial management, especially for forklifts forklift system. Thank you.